Hey everyone, my name is Florian. I just finished my first project that I did using lumber from this black walnut tree that I cut about a year ago using an Alaskan sawmill. I did a chessboard using the black walnut and some tulip poplar that I also had. As you will see in the video, the way I cut it is far from perfect. I didn't use cutting guides using the table saw, resulting in the wood pieces in all different sizes, making it very difficult to put them together. Nonetheless, I am pretty happy with the final result. I hope you enjoyed the video. Before you start watching, subscribe to the channel and have fun.